Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Enjin coin. What's the current price of the Enjin coin? What's the price is occurring the Enjin coin? In this video I will show you friends, and especially in this video I will show you friends the latest news, the latest update of Enjin coin. If you are a holder of Enjin, so please keep watching this video for more this kind of news and updates. Click the subscribe button friends. Anyways, if you look currently the latest price of Enjin coin, so the Enjin coin is going to hit a 2 USD dollar friends. As you can see here, now the current price of the Enjin coin is 1.99 USD dollar. So I think after a few minutes they are going to hit a 2 USD dollar friends. So I want to congrats all of Enjin coin holders that Enjin coin again going to hit a 2 USD dollar. Now on the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the Enjin coins, absolutely the last 1 hour, last 1 day, price changes occur and the Enjin coin is going positive, and I'm very happy today because the Enjin coin is going 2 USD dollar and the price change is going positive friends. Anyways, the last 1 week price change is also negative, but with the passage of time, the price change occur in the last 1 week will soon become positive friends. As you can see here, that is the last 1 day price chart of the Enjin coin. If you look the price jump of the Enjin coins, absolutely that is the quick jump and that is the massive gains of Enjin coin friends. Absolutely, I really like this kind of jump, and I hope that Enjin coin continue this kind of jump throughout this whole throughout this whole month friends. That is why at this time my recommendation, my suggestion for all of my viewers who's holding Enjin coin, so I think it's time to hold Enjin coin because this jump is just a beginning. The big jump of the Enjin coin are coming soon friends. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction? Please also share in the comment box. And if you look the latest news, the latest price update of the Enjin coin, so the last 1 day price changes occur in the Enjin coin as positive 7.92% price change occur, and the highest price is 1.99 USD dollar, and the current price is also 1.99 USD dollar. So that is the highest price, is the currently price of the Enjin coin is the highest price of Enjin coin. Absolutely, Enjin coin holders, you are in the highest profit friends. I really want to congratulate all of my viewers who's holding Enjin coin. Anyways, how do you feel today about Enjin coin? Please share your opinion in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe to this tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.